Belly May, and this is Belly May Vlogs. So in today's video we'll be doing a DIY kind of video. So this is basically we'll be creating wall decor. So what you need is basically a cardboard, straws as you can see here, spray paint and hot glue gun. So yeah, stay tuned so that you can see the end product. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and also leave your reviews down below so that I can know what maybe I can create for you guys next. So kindly the end result, kindly stay so that you can view the end results, please. So guys, this is the next step. So I need to spray paint. For the spray paint, I'll be going with this. It's maximum spray. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. So you guys can see. So this one. We are going to leave it here for a while. Yeah. So here guys, I'm just fixing. I'm done with the spray paint and now it's dry. This is like a few hours later. So I will be fixing some few straws. Yeah, I needed something unique. So if their straws don't align, kindly don't come at me. I just needed something different. That's why the straws look like that. But at the end, I have aligned them. So yeah, keep watching so that you can see the end results.